Hello everyone, welcome to Mirror Button Studio. Today I am going to share a beautiful handmade mirror embroidery. If you love creating, this tutorial is perfect for you. In this video I will show you an easy and satisfying embroidery method. First of all, I have taken the fabric and prepared the design area carefully. Look more professional and beautiful. Now I am starting the mirror placement step by step. Proper placement is very important because it helps and elegant. Even for beginners. The fabric. Now I am carefully attaching each mirror one by one. Patience is very important in embroidery because small details make the final result more effective. If you are new to embroidery, don't worry. With practice and creativity, you can also create beautiful handmade design at home. This type of mirror work can be used on dresses, sleeves, neck designs, dupattas, strollers, and many. One important tip is to always use neat stitching so that becoming complete, and you can already see how elegant and aesthetic the final look is. I personally love handmade mirror embroidery because every design is unique and creative. Embroidery is not only art, also a beautiful art that shows creativity. And make sure to subscribe to Mirror Buttons Studio for more creative embroidery content. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. See you in the next embroidery tutorial with another beautiful handmade mirror work design. Please subscribe my channel and thank you so much.